Take it. No, it's okay. One.
1.5.
I have no change. No any change really. Hmm? Yeah. I have a ticket now to go there. So I'm going inside.
When you come down
Thank you. Raray, doon ako noon. Sasakay ako dyan. Sasakay ako dyan. So guys, I'm going inside guys. I'm tour of my life, enjoy life. Let's enjoy my life guys. Okay, here? Guys, sasakay ako niyaan. Look. Sasakay ako niyan. Look at how. Look how. Sasakay ako niyan. Sasakay ako dyan.
Fotky. Kolik má?
Ekonomice a stav. Ekonomii.
Kolik jsme mám kávu.
To je taky vlastně.
Tobě jsem koupil lístek. Kolik to jste? 60. Jo, to stojí za to, my jsme to hleděli celou... Ne.
Tam sme dostali telefóny a mali sme skenovať QR-kódy, zberať ich 5 a dostať nejaký darček.
Sasakay ako dito. Here I am. Hey! Bijuhi ko ah! Padol diri. Pag unya na mo andar ba? Sasakay ako dito. Sa tubo na ito. ياهي
أهلا بك في حديقة الثريا. يستغرق الوصول إلى القمة أقل من دقيقة واحدة. من أجل سلامتك الرجاء عدم الاتكاء.
Man, some of you guys came early, huh?
will take just under a minute to reach the top. For your safety, please do not lean over the barriers. Enjoy your flight with us.
This is the whole expo. Whole of Dubai. This is whole of Dubai expo. Enjoy to watching. Enjoy to watching, guys. This is all the pavilion from Expo. I am on the top. I am on the top now. The top of the pavilion.
شكرا جزيلا لانضمامك إلينا. نأمل أن تستمتع ببقية يومك في إكسبو 2020. Thank you for joining us.
Ikot-ikot ako guys. Nag-enjoy ako dito. Nag-enjoy ako ng ikot-ikot. Okay, tapos na. It's already done. So, thank you for watching on my tour there. I'm enjoy my day at Expo. This is the ticket for there, 30 dirhams only. 30 dirhams, guys. Yeah, 30 dirhams. Thank you for watching. Bye.